Did you know that you can add pureed fruits in your porridge to add flavor? And those fruits are low in sugar, are high in antioxidants, and high in fiber. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you a Kenyan porridge recipe that has this amazing twist. I'll be adding strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries to give us these amazing results. So to get started, I'm heating up some water on a medium-sized pot. On this other side, I'm getting the millet flour ready. The amount depends on how much porridge you're planning to make. I started off by adding warm water on a mixing bowl. Then I added the porridge flour. Stir it until it is well combined. You need to do this part on the side to prevent your porridge from getting lumpy. You can use a spoon or a whisk to get this mixture going. After I made sure our porridge mixture is well combined, it is now time to add it to the main cooking pot. Our water has now reached the boiling point. What I do that works best for me is that I scoop the boiling water, mix it again with our flour mixture, making sure that still we don't have any lumps. Finally, I pour the mixture into the main pot, mixing continuously until our porridge starts thickening a little bit. I'm still making sure that no lumps are forming. My porridge is doing very well, but I also realized that it was a little light. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little mixture of the flour and the warm water and then add it into the main cooking pot. So combining it quickly and immediately into the cooking pot without stopping, so we also make sure that we are not forming any lumps. So this is the kind of thickness I'm looking for. I'm gonna let it simmer until it is well done. So after like 30 minutes, my porridge is well done. It doesn't have any lumps and it is looking very delicious. So what I'm going to do at this point, I'm going to turn off the stove and then get started with the fruits. So we're making a puree right now. We have the strawberries, the blackberries, and the blueberries. As I had mentioned to you earlier, they will add some nice flavor into our porridge, some fiber, antioxidant properties. They are also a good substitute to the sugar, which is a plus because they are low in sugar. or glycemic index. And as you can see, our puree is now ready to go. And as you can see, our porridge is also ready to go. What I'm doing right now, I'm separating the porridge into two. I just want to add the fruit puree on the porridge that we're gonna consume right away. And look at how beautiful that porridge is. At this point, I really want to appreciate you for watching until this point, and I want you to help me grow this channel by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing. That really means a lot to me to help me grow this channel. And look at that. That porridge was tasting amazing. So I hope you have been inspired to go and try this recipe. So until we meet in the next video, may the Lord bless you, may the Lord keep you, may He watch over you, and may He give you peace. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.